Hi, now we are going to see, we have seen waterline toolpath is never cuts the flat surfaces. So in case if you have any flat or angular surface, you need to machine means you need to move on to the, you need to select the raster toolpath. In this we will see the surface finish raster toolpath. You can we can keep stock 0 and you can select the surfaces, and this surface is not required. I remove it. Okay, if you want you can select the other surfaces in the check surface. Okay, you can keep all stock in the check surface. It means that my tool, I don't want to move on to that area. So I'll select the containment boundary. Okay, I'll keep center only. Tool. So I will select the bull and mill. So I need to cut only flat and little inclined surfaces. So it's better I can select the bull and mill so that so other parameter you can enter. You can select the collision checking on. So this stock setup is only for the rest machining, not for not all purpose. Cutting method zigzag. Optimize cut order is on already. Step over. So I given 0.8. You can give either one now, step over or the percentage. So now angle I kept as 0 only. Here you can give from 0 degree to 20 degree. This is your angle of specifying your raster angle. You can modify this raster angle according to your requirement. So minimum retraction I kept it, and that movement also normal feed rate and coolant on. Now this toolpath, so it will search the in model the surfaces which fall on 0 to 20 degree, those area it will start machining. You can see that it is restricted to come away from the boundary. I think we need to modify. You can see that how it is cutting. It is not covering the entire flat area. I think we have kept stock to leave on the that restriction area, means avoidance. We have given little more, so we can modify this avoidance area stock to leave. We'll make it 0. This is not at all required at present condition. We can even remove it. No need. So I just cleared the selection. Okay. Let us see now what is happening. Yes. Now you understood now what that is only thing it has controlled. Here you can what are changes you can do. You can change the angle of cutting. machining angle you can modify. Suppose I give on 45 degree. So nothing big change. It will cut instead of straight. It will cut on an angle. Sometimes you can reduce the retraction by doing this angle. So you see how best it has made the tool path. There is a perpendicular fill also available. So now I just switch it on. Let us see what is perpendicular fill. Just we'll see here. You can see here what is a perpendicular fill. So you can read it. So it will fill the other areas also more than the your raster restriction. It's cut like you can see here it is visible. If you want, you can zoom and see this. I think it whether it allows or not, I don't know. That zoom option is not there. So it means that it adds some additional cut. Let us see in our this. I just switch on the perpendicular fill and will regenerate. In automatic, it will not at all considering. Once you switch on the custom, it will generate. It will give you the tab for a perpendicular fill. This is normal automatic. Okay, this is the automatic toolpath. I'll switch on custom now. This option will allow you to perpendicular fill. So I just added the perpendicular fill. Now we'll see that how it is generating toolpath. So we have restricted. Suppose if you give 0 to 90 degree means it will machine entire job. So I remove the perpendicular fill now. Let us see now how that is functioning. Means we are told to the software from 0 degree to 90 degree you machine all the areas. So it will machine like a normal surface finish tool path. So it will cut entire whether a flat or inclined or curved surface together it will machine. So this tool path may not be suitable for the not better for the uh, profile machining. So now I'll change the perpendicular fill that 0 to 90 degree only I kept it and switch on the perpendicular fill. Now we'll see the pattern of cutting. There is a change in the pattern of cutting, not like 0 to 90. Okay, so there is a change in the cutting pattern from one direction to another direction, so that the cutting will be smooth. You can see how this is cutting here. So it finishes at the bottom, then you can change the cutting pattern here. So the cut pattern is changed, that's the thing. So that in the previous it takes one angle and it cuts entire model. But in this case, it is cutting the model in the different cut pattern. That is the advantage of this perpendicular fill. So here one entry and the entire cutting is taking place in the a single tool. Uh, Now if you switch on the perpendicular fill, the cutting pattern on the vertical wall is different. The cutting pattern on the horizontal is different. So that is the advantages of the perpendicular fill. Understood, no? So if you switch on the perpendicular fill again, I just regenerate. Now you see that, so it will split the flat area machining separate and a curved area machining separate, and different patterns it is used here. So it clears the all flat and curved area first, then only vertical area it does its separate pattern. So this is the perpendicular fill. Remaining thing we have already seen. This tool path is equivalent to the shallow tool path in the normal tool path. So it's a very good tool path. Uh, and if you use this surface waterline and the raster tool path, so any model can be machined with this good surface finish. Okay, so I just switch on both and show you that this is more than enough to machine any model a complete machine. So wherever this waterline tool path is loose, that places this raster tool path will finish. So it's a very good combination so that to machine the entire model. Okay, thank you.